Well, today I need to finish up this so I can cut the hole through the wall. What I want to do right now is make sure I got this track level.
Hear that? That's the sound of money. You wanna know what the sound of money is? That's it. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, 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 ching.
Gotta do this side and I gotta straighten out a little bit. Looks like when whoever took it out kind of bent it a little. Now for this part, this is where scaffolding comes in handy. Alright, so now we'll get all our material up on the scaffolding so we know we have it, even though part of it we won't need. We're going to go ahead and get the top brackets up there too, because I'm going to go ahead and hook them up while we're up there. Now, I can't take it too far up because I don't have the brackets attached, but it wants to go all the way out. But there we go, folks. That's what it looks like. I mean, it hasn't fallen on me yet, so must be good. Put it down before another problem. Well, that's all I got for today, folks. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. Be safe. Hope you're doing well. Until next time, see you later.